How to troubleshoot a Featherlite Weedeater. A weed-eater can be a handy device for any lawn enthusiast or professional gardener. When mowing or maintaining a yard or large grassy area, you will encounter hard-to-mow places such as the edges of landscaping, the borders of sidewalks and driveways, and odd-shaped yard corners. A convenient way to trim the grass that grows in these areas is to use a Featherlite Weedeater. When problems arise with your weed-eater, you can attempt to fix them yourself before seeking professional assistance. Things you will need: gas, oil, siphon tube, screwdriver. Engine won't start. Open the gasoline tank gas cap by turning it to the left until it detaches from the weed-eater. Fill the tank to the fill line. Low gas levels can prevent the engine from starting. If the engine still doesn't start, see Step 2. Remove the fuel filter from the weed-eater and clean the filter by running it under water. Let the filter dry for 6 hours in the sun and replace it in the weed-eater. You don't need a tool to remove or replace the filter. If the engine still doesn't start, see Step 3. Empty the gas and oil from the weed-eater using a siphon. Replace the gas and oil, making sure that they are mixed in the right proportion. The ideal mixture for this weed-eater is 1 gallon unleaded gasoline to 3.2 ounces synthetic 2-stroke engine oil rated at 40:1. Cutting line recedes into the head. Check to see how much line is coming out of the head of the spool. If there's not enough line showing, remove the spool by turning the screw connecting the spool to the weed-eater to the left. Use a screwdriver to accomplish this task. Pull the line with your hand until at least 4 inches of line is showing from the spool. Reattach the spool by placing it on the weed-eater and turning the screw to the right. Use a screwdriver to accomplish this task. Tips: warnings. Be sure to check the operator's manual for other troubleshooting techniques. Wear protective eyewear when working with a weed-eater.